Alright you guys, make sure you're wearing gloves when you're dealing with insulation. Right here, I got this 8x8. I got it from Amazon. I will put a link in the description. I did do an access panel on the channel before. It was from Home Depot, but this one don't have no clips or nothing to it, so you actually have to cut this to its precise size. And to inform y'all, this is not 8x8 actual size. So right here, it looked like you have to cut 7 3/4 and a little bit more than that. So 7 3/4 is the actual measurement on here, but they promote 8x8. So if you do cut 8x8, it will come out to be a little bit bigger. Me, I want a good fit, so I'm going to cut to actual size, which is 7 3/4, and I'll just shave it if I need to shave it to fit it in. I want it to fit in real tight. And yeah, so if you need this, go right on Amazon. They have a bunch of access panels. I'll link this one. I do have a 14x14, 12x12, and I got a 22x22 coming. So I do have some access panel work coming to the channel. Like I said, this is winter time, well, fall/winter time for me, and I do a lot of in-house work. So I will be doing some in-house product reviews soon for our DIYers out there. So what I did was did my measurements, and I use a level, you guys. Make sure you use a level, all right? And yeah, you use your level saw. I'm gonna make a cut here, use a razor blade, and yeah, so let me show y'all this real quick. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm cutting along the stud right here, so this is an easy straight cut. All right, made a line, I'm gonna cut on my line. All right, so with this, you can twist your drywall knife. All right, and then you can start cutting. Make sure, well, for me, I'm gonna make sure I don't go in all the way because I got my water lines, and you don't want to just go in too far with that. So I'm going in kind of an angle. All right, grab your razor blade and try to cut on the line as straight as possible. If not, you can use your drywall saw. Do a couple of passes. And that's it. And there you go, you guys. Now y'all see all my water lines here, and they kind of did some crazy work with the water line, so I might redo the whole thing. I don't know yet, but this is my cold water, and this is how they have it. So welcome to the builders, you guys. Very loose, and I'll figure something out. If not, then I'll leave it alone, but I do want to put shut-off valves here, so I'll put a shut-off valve probably here somewhere. Once I get some of this insulation out the way, I'll put a shut-off valve here on this side, and then my cold water is coming over here, which is just an elbow, and I'll show y'all that in a little bit. All right, and they also said these was paintable, at least from what I remember. I'll look at the Amazon stuff. Me, I don't paint my access panels. I actually like them to stay white. But all you do is get your screwdriver, pop it open. It's very easy. And it's supposed to swing out. My hand was in the way. So that's how you're supposed to do it. and it swings out. Look like I gotta cut just a little bit more. So let me show y'all this real quick. Get y'all a little closer. All right, you guys, so y'all see how it's very close right here? You have to pull out and then open. All right. When you close it, you pull in and then push in, close. And then I need my screwdriver again. Enough having fun right there. I'm ready to go ahead and put my other access panel in, and then I'll probably do my water lines another time. A little bit busy today. All right, you guys, so now that I actually cut this at 8x8, it's loose. If you're gonna do 8 inches, make sure you dial it back almost like a 1/4 inch, just to get that tightness. So I will put a screw here and a screw here to hold it still for now. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and try to see if I can drill this in, if it will stay in. Remember, this is great. Remember, this is going into great. Oh, it works. You guys, it works. Okay. All right, we cool now. Let me screw up the 2 on the top. Now, y'all know I have OCD, so I might put screws on this one too. And it's good. All right, you guys, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible.